Hello everyone, I am Chelama. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we have completed level 2 problems. These are level 3 problems in binomial theory. See the question what they are given. The expansion x plus x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 whole power 5 plus x minus x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 whole power 5 is a polynomial of degree. So in that final expansion, what is the degree of the polynomial? Now, see that first term is total positive terms. Second term is we get alternative signs. Okay. Now I am going to expand first term. 5c0 x power 5 minus 5c1 into x power 4 into x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 2. Why no need to write all the terms? Because some of the terms is going to cancel or not? Some of the terms is going to cancel. So what are the remaining terms I am writing here? 2 into 5c0 x power 5 plus 5c2 into x power 5 minus 2, 3. X cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 whole square. After 5c2, what will come, students? 5c4 into x power 5 minus 4, that is x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 whole power 4. This is total expansion after cancelling the terms. Now see this 2 into 5c0 means 1 x power 5. Here we got degree is 5. Next term, see that 5c2 means 5 into 4 by 1 into 2, that is 10. 10x cube. So here square root cancel. Here we get x cube minus 1. If you are multiplied with x cube, here you will get degree 6. 5c4 means that is 5. 5 into x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 whole power 4. That means x cube minus 1 whole square. Now, degree we need to identify. What is the degree here? 5. Degree. Okay. Here, after multiplication, you will get 6. And 3 also. And 3 also. Here, polynomial degree means whatever is their highest, that's we need to write. What is x cube minus 1 whole square, students? This expansion. 5x into x cube minus 1 whole square, x cube whole square, x power 6 minus 2x cube plus 1. Multiply these two. What we are getting degree? 7. Overall, observe that highest degree where it is possible, here only. So the degree of the polynomial is 7. Second option correct. If x is equal to 99 power 50 plus 100 power 50, this is x value, and y is equal to 101 power 50. By observing the x and y, what is the relation between? We have to find. See here. So I am going to take like this 101 whole power 50 minus 99 whole power 50. Why I am taking these two means, see 101 means how to write, students? 100 plus 1 whole power 50 minus 99 means 100 minus 1 whole power 50. Now in between, what is their subtraction? Both expand and observe that sum of the terms is going to cancel. Now remaining terms I am writing. Which terms is going to cancel? 50C0, 50C2, 50C4. Those terms is going to cancel because in between what is there? Minus is there. If it is there plus 15C1, 50C3, 50C5, those terms is going to cancel. Okay. Now I am going to write remaining 50C1 into 100 power 50 minus 1, that is 49, plus 50C3 100 power 47, and so on. What is the last term, students? 50C49. 50C49 into what we get? Tell me. 100 whole power 1. This are. Now observe the first term. 50C1 means 50 or not. 2 into 50, 100. 100 into 100 power 49. 100 power 49. If you are not understood, write this. 2 into 50 into like this. Plus 2 into 50C3. Here no need to calculate that. 100 power 47 plus and so on. Write the last term. 2 into 50C49, that is 50 into 100. Okay. So the first term value, how much, students? 2 into 50, 100. 100 into 100 power 49. This is overall 100 power 50 or not. Plus some value. 2 into 50C3, 100 power 47 plus and so on. 2 into 50, 100. This is 100 square. Now this is, observe carefully. How to write? Tell me. This is 100 power 50 plus some value. 100 power 50 plus some value. That meaning is it is greater than 100 power 50 or not? It is greater than 100 power 50 because 100 power 50 plus some value is set. Okay. Now see the left hand side. 101 whole power 50 minus 99 power whole power 50. Here 50 I am written only 5 by mistake. Now see this. 101 whole power 50 is greater than 99 power 50, send right hand side. So 100 power 50 plus 99 power 50. By observing the question, 101 power 50 means that is y is greater than 100 power 50 plus 99 power 50. That value should be x. So finally, what is the answer? Y greater than x or x less than y. Students, which option correct? Second option. If x plus y is equal to 1, then sigma r is equal to 0 to n. R is equal to 0 to n r into NCR into x power r into y power n minus r. Now this is, here NCR is there. What is NCR formula? R into NCR means n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial into x power r y power n minus r. Why I am writing formula means here r is there extra. If r not there, we can write very easily. Okay, r is there extra. There is a problem here. So now calculate. How to eliminate the r? Denominator r factorial is there. R factorial we can write. So first I am going to denominator. R factorial I am writing r into r minus 1 factorial. Okay, here r. At that time r is going to cancel. And n factorial I am going to write n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, denominator n minus r factorial is there. That is I am writing n minus 1 minus r minus 1 factorial. This is n minus r factorial only. Inside the bracket, adding 1, subtracting 1. Now here x power r is there. I am going to write x power r minus 1 into x. Y power n minus r is there. I am going to write y power n minus 1 minus of r minus 1. That is overall n minus r only. Okay. Now here, what are the extra terms? Take outside. What are the extra terms here? N, and x. These two terms are extra. Take outside. Nx. Now write the remaining sigma r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus r minus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial. That meaning is n minus 1 c r minus 1 into x power r minus 1 into y power n minus 1 minus r minus 1. So this is total expansion. I am writing nx into this is x plus y whole power n minus 1 expansion only. Here they are written shortcut form. They are written shortcut form. Okay. What is x plus y? Already given in the question, x plus y value is 1. 1 power n minus 1, that is 1. Overall answer is nx. Overall answer is nx. So see the option. Which option correct? Third option. Here r is there, that is the problem. If r not there, we can write directly. How? Sigma NCR into x power r into y power n minus r means that value should be x plus y whole power n. Directly we can write. R is there extra, that is the problem. We want to eliminate the r. Okay, students, I think all of you understood now. If x is nearly equal to 1, nearly equal to 1 means, so x value is less than 1, x is less than 1 or greater than 1, anyone, no problem. Either left neighborhood or right neighborhood. So here we can consider left neighborhood only. X is less than 1, but it is nearly 1 only. So when they are equal in right hand side, I am going to add little bit fractional part h. Now these are equal. x is nearly equal to 1. If you are added some quantity, small quantity, it is going to equal. Here h is small quantity. Okay, so see the problem what they are given. M x power m minus n x power n divided by m minus n. In place of x, write that 1 plus h. 1 plus h whole power m expansion minus n into 1 plus h whole power n divided by m minus n. Here m into what is 1 plus h whole power m expansion? mc0 plus mc1 into h plus mc2 into h square plus and so on minus n into nc0 plus nc1 into h plus nc2 into h square plus and so on. Last term I am not writing. Go to the denominator. What is there? M minus 1. Here h is small. H is small. So h square and higher power of x. Higher power of x. Power of h are very small. Very small. Okay. Those values I am going to neglecting. H square and higher power of terms I am going to neglect. Why? Those are very small values. Then what is the remaining term? See, m into mc0 1 plus mc1, that is m into h. Remaining terms I am neglected because those are very small values. nc0 means 1, nc1 means n into h. nc1 into h. One sees students. Okay. Now divided by m minus n. Numerator, see students, what happened? M plus m square h minus n square h divided by m minus n. Okay. So here m minus n, those terms write at 1 place. Next, observe these two, m square h minus n square h. Take h common. M square minus n square means we can write m minus n into m plus n or not. And denominator m minus n is there. In both the terms, take m minus n common and it's going to cancel. Now remaining is 1 plus m plus n into h. Here, this is I am going to write 1 plus h whole power m plus n expansion only. If you are expanded, h square and higher power of h terms can be neglected. You will get this only. Okay, think reverse, then you will understand. What is 1 plus h value? X. Now answer is x power m plus n. X power m plus n. Which option correct, students? First option.